So in the last class we discussed about Lyapunov function and stability of critical point. We also discussed a theorem that if there exists a Lyapunov function e of xy for the system dx by dt equal to f of xy, dy by dt equal to g of xy, then the critical point 0, 0 is stable. Furthermore, if this function has an additional property that the derived function h of xy, which is equal to dou e by dou x into f plus dou e by dou y into g, is negative definite, then 0, 0 is asymptotically stable. Recall that e of xy is a continuous function with continuous first partial derivative in some region containing the origin, and it is said to be positive definite if e of 0, 0 equal to 0 and e of xy is not equal to 0 for all xy not equal to 0, 0. And you know that a Lyapunov function is a function of the form and you know that a positive definite function e of xy is said to be a Lyapunov function if the derived function h of xy that I already mentioned is negative semi-definite. It should be negative semi-definite. So such function is said to be a Lyapunov functions. So in order to check the stability of the critical point, we can use the above mentioned theorem. So let us check the example. So the first question is, show that 0, 0 is asymptotically stable critical point of the system dx by dt equal to minus 3x cube minus y, dy by dt equal to x raised to 5 minus 2y cube. So to show that 0, 0 is asymptotically stable critical point of the autonomous system, it is enough to show that there exists a Lyapunov function for the system such that the derived function is negative definite. And we already discussed that a function of the form a x raised to 2m plus b y raised to 2n where m and n are positive integers and a and b are positive constants are always positive definite. So to prove this, so to show that 0, 0 is asymptotically stable critical point, let us consider a function e of xy of the form ax raised to 2m plus by raised to 2n where a and b are positive numbers and m and n are positive integer. Obviously e is positive definite because e of 0, 0 is equal to 0 and e of xy for any e of xy is equal to for any xy that is not equal to 0, 0, we can see that e of xy is always greater than 0 because a and b are positive numbers and m and n are positive integer. So therefore e is a positive definite function. Now let's find out the derived function h, that is equal to dou e by dou x into f plus dou e by dou y into g. So let's find out the derivative of e, that is with respect to the dou e by dou x means derivative of e with respect to x, that is equal to 2m into a into x raised to 2m minus 1. So into capital F. Comparing with the standard form, that is the autonomous equation, dx by dt equal to f of xy, dy by dt equal to g of xy, you can see that capital F equal to minus 3x cube minus y and g of xy equal to x raised to 5 minus 2y cube. Substituting here, that is into f, that is into minus 3x cube minus y plus dou e by dou y, that is the derivative of e with respect to y, that is equal to 2n into b into plus 2nby raised to 2n minus 1 into g, that is x raised to 5 minus 2y cube. So that is equal to, whilst opening the bracket, you get this is equal to minus 6m a x raised to 2m plus 2 minus 2ma into x raised to 2m minus 1 into y plus 2nb into y raised to 2n minus 1 into x raised to 5 minus 2 into 2, 4nb y raised to 2n plus 2, right? Now, we have to show that this is 0, 0 is asymptotically stable critical point. So, we have to show that h is what? Negative definite. For that, we choose m equal to 3, n equal to 1, a equal to 1, b equal to 3. Then you get capital H equal to minus 6 into m. Here we choose m equal to 3. So, this is equal to minus 18, right? Minus 18 into a, since a equal to 1, this is minus 18 into 1 into x raised to 2m plus 2. m is 3. So, 2m plus 2 equal to 8, right? So, this is equal to minus 18 x raised to 8 minus, similarly, you can substitute here m equal to 3, n equal to 1, a equal to 1, b equal to 3. You get h equal to minus 18 x raised to 8 minus 6 x raised to 5 into y plus 6 x raised to 5 into y minus 12 y raised to 4, right? Now, cancelling the term minus 6x raised to 5y and plus 6x raised to 5y, we get h equal to minus 18x raised to 8 minus 12y raised to 4. So, while taking the negative outside, we get this is equal to minus of 18x raised to 8 plus 12y raised to 4. And you know that this is whatever be the values of x, you can see that x raised to 8 and y raised to 4 is always what? Positive, greater than 0, and this here is a negative, so h is what? Less than 0. For every xy that is not equal to 0, 0, you can see that h is what? Less than 0. That means that h is negative definite. So that implies that E is what? Is a Lyapunov function for the system with derived function h is negative definite. Therefore, 0, 0 is an asymptotically stable critical point.